Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to take screenshot your screen in Premiere Pro. So if I want to screenshot this video, I will go ahead and choose the part of the video that I want to screenshot. So let's say this, and then go right here to export frame. If you don't see it right here, click on this plus icon and find the export frame right here, and just simply drag it right like this, then press OK. So press this or Shift A, then name it. So name 3, choose format. I will recommend PNG or JPEG, and then click browse in order to select where you want the picture to be saved. Click choose and then press OK. Now when I go here, I will find my name 3, and this is my picture. So this is really simple. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.